An infant can first lift and hold his head up while prone by about what age? A. 1 month, B. 2 months, C. 4 months, D. 6 months. Answer: B. 2 months. By what age does an infant's birth weight normally double? A. 4 months, B. 6 months, C. 9 months, D. 12 months. Answer: B. 6 months. By what age does an infant's birth weight typically quadruple? A. 12 months, B. 18 months, C. 24 months, D. 36 months. Answer: C. 24 months. At what age do infants usually begin to make cooing or gurgling sounds, beyond crying? A. At birth, B. 1 month, C. 2 months, D. 4 months. Answer: C. 2 months. By which age should most infants start laughing out loud? A. 3 months, B. 6 months, C. 9 months, D. 12 months. Answer: B. 6 months. By about what age should a child be able to sit without any support? A. 6 months, B. 9 months, C. 12 months, D. 18 months. Answer: B. 9 months. At what age do infants typically begin to recognize and respond to their own name? A. 4 months, B. 6 months, C. 9 months, D. 12 months. Answer: C. 9 months. Stranger anxiety, fearful or shy behavior around unfamiliar people, typically appears by around what age? A. 3 to 4 months, B. 5 to 6 months, C. 7 to 9 months, D. 12 months. Answer: C. 7 to 9 months. According to Erikson's psychosocial stages, the primary developmental conflict for a toddler, 18 months minus 3 years, is A. Trust vs mistrust, B. Autonomy vs shame and doubt, C. Initiative vs guilt, D. Industry vs inferiority. Answer: B. Autonomy vs shame and doubt. In the APGAR scoring system, newborn assessment at 1 and 5 minutes, which parameter is not evaluated? A. Heart rate, B. Respiratory effort, C. Muscle tone, D. Blood pressure. Answer: D. Blood pressure. Which of the following respiratory rates is within the normal range for a healthy 3 to 6 month old infant? A. 15 breaths, B. 25 breaths, C. 40 breaths, D. 70 breaths. Answer: C. 40 breaths. What is a normal awake heart rate range for a 2-year-old toddler? A. 40 to 60 bpm, B. 60 to 90 bpm, C. 70 to 110 bpm, D. 90 to 140 bpm. Answer: C. 70 to 110 bpm. Which pathogen is the most common cause of bronchiolitis in infants? A. Influenza virus, B. Respiratory syncytial virus, RSV, C. Adenovirus, D. rhinovirus. Answer: B. RSV. Down syndrome, trisomy 21, is most often caused by which chromosomal abnormality? A. Deletion of chromosome 21, B. Translocation involving chromosome 21, C. Non-disjunction leading to an extra copy of chromosome 21, D. Mosaicism for chromosome 21. Answer: C. Non-disjunction, extra chromosome 21. A child with presumed G6PD deficiency should avoid which of the following medications due to risk of hemolysis? A. Penicillin, B. Acetaminophen, C. sulfonamides, D. Ibuprofen. Answer: C. Sulfonamides. Toddler with a history of chickenpox should be monitored for which late neurologic complication? A. Guillain-Barré syndrome, B. Encephalitis, C. Transverse myelitis, D. Subacute sclerosing panencephalitis, SSPE. Answer: D. Subacute sclerosing panencephalitis. Child is diagnosed with Hodgkin lymphoma. A classic presenting symptom is A. Painful lymph node swelling after alcohol ingestion, B. Painless enlargement of lymph nodes, C. Recurrent ear infections and sinusitis, D. Easy bruising and petechiae. Answer: B. Painless enlarged lymph nodes. In a child with idiopathic nephrotic syndrome, minimal change disease, the most characteristic urine finding is A. Hematuria, B. Glycosuria, C. Proteinuria, D. Bacteria on culture. Answer: C. Proteinuria. In a child with idiopathic nephrotic syndrome, minimal change disease, the most characteristic urine finding is A. Hematuria, B. Glycosuria, C. Proteinuria, D. Bacteria on culture. Answer: C. Proteinuria. A child with sickle cell anemia should be vaccinated against which encapsulated organism to prevent meningitis? A. Haemophilus influenza type B, B. Streptococcus pneumoniae, C. Neisseria meningitidis, D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. Which vaccine is given routinely at birth to prevent perinatal infection? A. BCG, tuberculosis, B. Oral polio vaccine, C. Hepatitis B vaccine, D. DTaP vaccine. Answer: C. Hepatitis B vaccine. At what age is the first dose of rotavirus vaccine recommended? A. Birth. B. 2 months. C. 6 months. D. 12 months. Answer. B. 2 months. Which immunizations are started at 2 months of age in a typical schedule? ADTAP, HIP, IPV, PCV, and rotavirus B. MMR and varicella C. Hepatitis A and B. D. Influenza and HPV-17. Answer. ADTAP, HIP, IPV, PCV, and rotavirus. At what age can a child begin receiving annual influenza immunization? A. 6 weeks. B. 3 months. C. 6 months. D. 12 months. Answer. C. 6 months. When should the first dose of MMR, measles, mumps, rubella, vaccine be given? A. 6 months. B. 9 months. C. 12-15 months. D. 4 years. Answer. C. 12-15 months. When is the first dose of varicella, chickenpox, vaccine administered? A. 2 months. B. 6 months. C. 12 months. D. 4 years. Answer. C. 12 months. Which of the following schedules is correct for diphtheria, tetanus, acellular pertussis, DTAP, vaccination? A. First dose at 2 months, second at 4 months, third at 6 months, booster at 15 to 18 months. B. First dose at 6 weeks, second at 4 months, third at 9 months. C. First dose at birth, second at 2 months, third at 6 months. D. First dose at 12 months, second at 4 years. Answer. A. 2, 4, 6 months, then booster at 15 to 18 months. Which of the following vaccines is recommended during the influenza season for a 1-year-old child? AIIV3, inactivated influenza, BLAIV, live attenuated influenza, C. Neither, no influenza vaccine, D. Both, either form is acceptable. Answer. AIIV3, inactivated influenza. The HPV, human papillomavirus, vaccine series begins at what age? A. 6 months. B. 1 year. C. 11 to 12 years. D. 16 years. Answer. C. 11 to 12 years. In pediatric cardiac arrest, the recommended intravenous epinephrine dose is A. 0.1 mg per kilogram. B. 0.01 mg per kilogram. C. 1 mg per kilogram. D. 0.001 mg prati kilogram. Answer. B. 0.01 mg per kilogram. What is the usual energy dose for the first pediatric defibrillation shock in ventricular fibrillation? A. 1J. B. 2J. C. 5J. D. 10J. Answer. B. 2J. In pediatric hypovolemic shock, the first line intravenous fluid for volume resuscitation is A. D5W, 5% dextrose, B. Half normal saline. C. Isotonic crystalloid, normal saline or lactated ringers, D. Whole blood. Answer. C. Isotonic crystalloid, e.g. 0.9% saline. Child in compensated, early, shock will most likely demonstrate A. Hypotension. B. Bradycardia. C. Tachycardia with normal blood pressure. D. Warm extremities. Answer. C. Tachycardia with normal BP. Which electrolyte abnormality is most likely to cause peak T waves on a child's ECG? A. Hypokalemia. B. Hypokalemia. C. Hypocalcemia. D. Hyponatremia. Answer. B. Hypokalemia. For a pediatric patient requiring an exchange transfusion due to Rh incompatibility, the donor blood should be ARH positive, ABO compatible, BRH negative, ABO compatible, CO negative regardless of RHD, same blood type as mother. Answer. BRH negative, ABO compatible. Child on digoxin will have toxicity at blood levels above 2.0 nanogram prati milliliter. Which sign could indicate digoxin toxicity? A. New onset bradycardia. B. Diarrhea and vomiting. C. Confusion or visual changes. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above.